I'm going to unbox this GearWrench 12-piece metric XL gearbox combination ratcheting set. And what these are really good for, this long zero offset, tight reach type stuff, is when you're working suspension or brake related things. Sometimes there's very little clearance, but you still need leverage, and that's what this kit is for. And comes in this box, wrapped up in a couple individual boxes per size, or bags per size. And I've worked with GearWrench ratchets before, and they are a good ratchet. The mechanism right here is rather strong, and you get a nice tooth count out of it. And I'll show you, you can kind of tell how long these are. This is a 10 millimeter, a lot longer than your average 10 millimeter would be. So this is almost 10 inches long, and they're rather thin as well. So that's a 1/4 of an inch on the 10 millimeter. So this can get into some pretty crazy spots. I'll grab the biggest one. This is the 19 mil. So this one measures out at, well, let's go from there, almost 16 inches. Okay. But it's still rather thin. And this is the ratcheting side. It's only 3/8 of an inch thick. So you can really get into some tight spots with this. Great leverage, good feel in the hand, zero offset. So if you're working into you got to get that straight angle at one of those control arm bolts or something, these are going to come in super handy.